Hey, what's up guys? We're doing a squads match with some of my friends. So, that's how this video is going to be. Wait, this is a glitch. 0 shield, but my shield bar is full. Yeah, but it says it's full. I don't know. I guess reality falls. I'm landing reality falls. I gotta get these in order to find my tree. Why are we shouting out to the Mech Strike Commander? Why can't I? I'll take that AR, bro. I'll take one of your ARs. Right here, I'm behind you. Yeah. Hammer AR. Well, can I have one of your big pots? Thank you. Bro, give it. Toxic. Hey, when you gave me your hammer AR, you didn't give me any ammo. Do you think you could give me some ammo for it? Okay, yeah, I have 74 now. Earlier I had 20 and I was like, bro, that's not enough. Wait, what? Where are the chests? Ah! How did you glide down safely? That's what we were trying to do. Oh, I have a med kit. Yeah, give one to him. Give one to Zakizer. Oh, and Zakizer, you're in a YouTube video right now. They can't hear you right now, but the YouTube video is gonna be called squad match with Ashton and friends, or squad match with friends or something like that. Just what, you know, you can call me Landon. Oh, and yes, YouTubers, that is my name. Or not YouTubers, watchers, that is my name. Or viewers, that is my name. What cave? Yes. I'm not going to get a cow catcher. I'm going to Ashton. Oh, I like fish. I eat them like every day. Oh shoot! I shouldn't have said that. I shouldn't have said that. No, I need that combat. I thought you said you hate fish. Oh, I love fish, and I also hate them. Oh my gosh, I'm breaking it! No! What? Oh my god! It's not going down. We need a cow catcher. Frick, we have to go zone. Bro, but how cool is that, guys? How cool is that? Bro, look how much health it has, bro. Oh, wait, I'm trying to... Bro, look how much health it has. That dot right here is how much health it has. Somebody is ziplining. Because you fell in water. I need a geyser. How'd you die? Yeah. Bro, does anybody have a fishing rod? No. I'm going to get a fishing rod to save Diddle Little. Oh, come on, come on, come on. No, I'm not leaving him behind. Leave no man behind. Leave no man behind. I'm not too far from the circle. Yay, we made it. I gotta bring him to zone. Boom, boom. I'll shockwave him. I'll shockwave him. Wait, let me in. Wait, let me shockwave him. Wait, let me in. Let me in. Bro, I'm not on. Bump him. Bump this. He's a... Oh, yeah! I'll destroy anything that gets in your path. No, I thought he fell off. Eat that what? Oh, I found a cow catcher. Everybody hop on the battle bus. Okay, no! We gotta go slow. Diddle Little's glitching. You do sound like Tiko, bro. What? Yeah, playing a squash match with a guy that sounds like Tiko. That's a good title. In the wait, I should make a thumbnail of me and you in the lobby. Yeah, I hope we lose now. I'm joking. I want to win. I want to win. I don't know. That happens all the time on vehicles. Sometimes like when flip. That's again. Wait, somebody fuel up the bus. There's a gas can right there. Yes, it's filling it up. When do I get my statue? Frick, he's destroying the cow catcher. Oh. Yeah, he is. Yes. We just gotta stay around this area. La dee 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 la da 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 doo da da dee dee da dee. Oh frick! You're welcome. Ah! Go 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 go! We gotta protect Diddle Little. We need a repair torch. We might have to get a new car. I hit him. Ah! little. No, I got rammed in a little into circle. Break that ramp! That ramp! We're stuck on. He's being shot at. Ah! We may die! I want his crown. Oh, frick. Hey, we all got a crown. We just got a rose. Here, give here. I'm gonna heal. Let's go. Let's go! Alright guys, we just got a victory, no, crown royale. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. I've uploaded 3 videos today, which is a lot, but you know my outro. I don't even have to say it.